Yo, what's going on YouTube? You already know what it is. It's your boy Brandon, and I'm back with another video with
Zach Gaming.
Zach Gaming. Go Smart Dad. Today we're gonna try the fried onion rings Pringles.
Yeah, you can open it.
You open it.
Oh, I'll put it right here.
Open. Does it look like?
It actually smells just like a fried onion.
It does actually.
Alright.
1, 2, 3. This is its taste. I don't know taste.
But it does taste like an onion ring.
Mm-hmm. What do you rate it?
7 out of 10.
I was gonna say 7.5.
7 out of 10.
Okay.
That's good.
Yeah. So.
If it's lower than 6, then it's
Yeah.
average. I mean,
So.
7's pretty good.
Yeah, it was
Good.
pretty good. It was a 7. I said 7.5. It's open.
Yeah.
Yeah. So.
Oh, more. No. Well.
So please comment, like, subscribe, and subscribe to Zach Gaming over here.
That game.
Subscribe to Loose Nation too. That's
Matt Lutz.
yeah.
Or Lutz. Lutz.
Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out.
Peace.
Peace.